Yes, sir. Got my Faded Culture bag in. Shout out to Adrian and Sergio for sending me this Faded Culture package. I'm ready to unbox this. Also, shout out to my boy at Wicked Libra for hooking me up with them. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay. Got the Faded Culture hair gel. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Platinum razor blades. Okay. Yeah. Can't wait to use these. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Faded Cultures, matte clay. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I've seen this on the Faded Culture page. Looks really good. I've been wanting to try it. But too bad I shaved my head down, but my hair grows pretty fast, so if not, I'll use it on one of my clients. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, got the straight razor with the Faded Culture on there. Mira, mira nomás. It's clean. Here it is. Bam. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm finna be using this on all the clients. What else we got? Okay. What is this? I think this is the tee. That badass t-shirt that I seen with the 63 on there. Oh man, look at that. It's immaculate. Yo. Bruh. This sucker clean. This sucker's clean, boy. Let's slap it on real quick. Oh shit. Oh. Good. All right, my bad. Had to readjust this so I can put the shirt on. Fits perfect too. Large. It's my size. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, this shirt clean, man. Thank y'all. Thank y'all very much. See what else we got. This is the Quality Clear Shaving Gel. This is clean. I already know what it looks like, so I'm not gonna open it all the way up. Care instructions. Welcome to the culture. Sergio Barron. Bet. And I'm definitely gonna tag y'all for a repost at Faded Culture. Yeah, so if y'all like some of this stuff, if y'all want to order any of this stuff, make sure y'all check out fadedculture.com. Follow Faded Culture on Instagram and Faded Culture on YouTube. And then follow Faded Culture Academy on IG also. Thank y'all very much, bros. I appreciate y'all sending me all this stuff, man. This is awesome. I really like this shirt, man. I like all the products. Thank y'all very much. Shout out to Faded Culture. Peace.